Hey guys, this is Adid from Land Rover Naperville. Today we're going to be showing you how to connect your phone to your 2026 Defender. You'll click the Connect Phone on the home screen. It'll pop up this Bluetooth menu on the home screen. It'll show you use your device to search for Pivi 18269. Does change depending on model to model. But once you do get it up, it will pop up at the bottom right here on your Bluetooth settings. You'll click it. It'll ask you to confirm the code, allow contacts and favorites to sync, and then it'll ask if you'd like to use Apple CarPlay. You can click yes or no, it's really preference at the end of the day. And then once you're connected, it will refresh the home page and pop up your Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay if you selected it.